then maybe dip each side in a different color in a green. Soak one of your ends in green.
Green. Should I do that now?
Ta-da!
Just the one
It's like
side.
Christmas, you know?
Okay.
Unwrapping the
Like
gifts.
this whole side here. Just put them like that.
Whole side.
No, sideways.
Yeah.
So, just that piece.
Oh, just like this.
Yeah.
Okay. The whole thing, even the other.
So you have to go last time.
This whole piece.
Cool.
Shit's
Ta-da!
completely dry.
That looks fantastic.
Maybe this one again. Green and gold.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Now you can still dip that end in a darker color.
Wow, look at that.
So you can
Sure.
pick out that side there with is this
This
red?
is fancy.
Fun!
This in a dark.
Yeah, you can maybe dip the tip in black. Or not even.
Oh, wow. Isn't that spectacular? It's got a butterfly and a sun and a flower. That is incredible. Wow.
Looks like a sun. I don't know. Actually, it looks like the sunset on the sea. I don't know.
A quasar.
Hold it still. I'm loving this little butterfly here on the chest.
Put your hand in there.
Looks like a butterfly from a distance.